Hi, my name is Tyler Morozic and I'm with the Outdoor Adventure program here at the Rec Well, and today I will be showing you how to use the Jetboil flash and flashlight. To start, we can remove this top and take out each of the pieces. This first orange piece is going to be our stand. To open it, just pull these apart, place it down, and this will sit under your fuel can. Push the can into the stand and it should clip in and it'll stay still. The second part is going to be the burner. You want to flip this upside down and move this lever out before putting it onto the fuel. To put it on, just simply screw it in. This lever will be your fuel control, and then on the opposite side there is a black button which will be your igniter. To attach this, take the bottom part off. There will be prongs on either side of the burner and then a slider on each of these. Simply place this on top and slide it into place and it should lock in. Once this is on, turn this to turn the fuel on, and then press this button to ignite it. You can also cover this and use this as a spout for pouring water. To disassemble it, start by removing the lid, twist this, and it can come off super easily. Once that is off, twist this to remove it from the fuel can. Before placing it back in, remember to flip your lever in so that it fits properly. Then you can just drop it into the Jetboil. So to remove this, flip this upside down, pull this, and the legs should unclip from your fuel can. Then before putting it back in, remember to fold each of the legs into themselves. Place this inside, put your cap back on, and your bottom cover. And that is how to use the Jetboil flash and flashlight. For more information, visit go.uic.edu/wild.